What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we've got a special unboxing of the brand new iPhone 8 Plus Project Red Edition. Now, everyone who's seen this on the internet has been going nuts because you'll see it in a second. And for those of you not familiar with Project Red Edition products, a portion of your purchase goes towards the Global Fund, which actually does research and testing for AIDS and HIV. So that is a great cause. Apple has been carrying Project Red Edition products for quite some time now in the form of cases, Beats accessories, and even the iPhone 7 last year. But you guys came for an unboxing, so let's see what's inside of this thing. And with the Project Red Edition, you got the little red tab right here. So once you pull this out, ooh, there goes this baby. But you get this paperwork with a red little pamphlet, of course, detailing the information about Product Red in the back. You got your quick start guide as well, more information, and of course, some stickers. But of course, you got your standard stuff like your wall adapter, your ear pods, and of course, your lightning cable. Now, nothing really new there, but this guy right here, the red iPhone 8 Plus with some dirt on it. But yeah, this is it. And I gotta say, guys, this thing looks clean. So of course, you got that like matte brushed finish on the side. So you've got that aluminum finish on the sides. You've also got the glass back. So it's got actually pretty interesting contrast between the side frames and the glass back. Now, what everyone's going crazy about with this new model is the fact that it has a black front. When they came out with the red iPhone 7, it had the white front, which everyone wasn't too crazy about. You know, it's black and red. That's the thing. That's the combination that everyone likes. And I gotta say, this thing is like really red. Look at it in comparison to my sweater. This thing's really red. Now, of course, this is an iPhone 8 Plus, so you get all of the standard stuff that you'd come to expect. You got your dual cameras in the back, you got the bigger design, you got that Touch ID in the front. So you got that home button with Touch ID, which is so nice. I kind of miss it. And it's also got the iPhone Product Red logo right there at the bottom, which is a nice touch. I do like that it's a silver Apple logo at the back, so that looks pretty good. I think it's a really nice color combination here. But overall, guys, it's an iPhone 8 Plus that's red. But I do have something else. They also came out with a Product Red folio case made out of leather. And that's this guy right here. But this was made for the iPhone 10. It actually looks pretty good. So if you feel like you want to contribute to the cause, but you don't want to buy a whole new phone, you can definitely do that with the cases. Apple offers quite a few outside of this little red folio case. They also have the silicone and regular leather. So they've got a few options, and it's also nice if you just want a straight up red case. And just so you guys can see how it stacks up against all of the other color options, here we have it all laid out. We've got the space gray, product red, silver, and of course the rose gold. So if you're on the market for a new phone and the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus catch your eye because it has that Touch ID or the similar body to what they used to have, here you go, you got a good option right here. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Huge shout out to Apple and all of the other companies who make Product Red Edition items so that they can contribute to the Global Fund. I think it's a great cause. But what do you guys think of the new Product Red iPhones? Let me know with a comment down below. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.